Okay, so for this week, um, on Monday and Tuesday, we are going to finish the counterclaim. We worked on just pure editing and revising, and then we submitted that and did the quiz. If you would like a partner to go over your counterclaim paragraph, reach out to me, and I will try and partner you with someone. The other thing is we continued finishing up the IXL sections that are due this Friday, P3 through 5 to 90%. And we also um, read quite a bit. We're a little behind on the reading, so we spent some time catching up. You need to make sure that you are, number one, done with chapter 4 and 5 if you missed. Most of the classes are almost done with chapter 5 or done with chapter 5 at this point. On Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to start looking at your body paragraphs. Okay? Your body paragraphs, are going to be in the same format as the last one, the T-bear. With your body paragraphs, and let me go back to where it is in the module. There's a quiz that goes with it, but I want you to highlight each section a different color. I don't care which one, but just like the counterclaim. So for example, transition and topic, do that yellow. Your background information, do that green, and then so on. Just so I know what's going on and your reader can clearly see where things are going step by step. And then on Friday, or Wednesday and Thursday, excuse me, we are going to read. We're going to read quite a bit. This week we're going to try and get caught up. Your second study guide, I should, yeah, we should hopefully be to the point where you can turn in your second study guide by Monday and Tuesday. So that's what we are working on for this week. The other thing that we are going to be doing, and A-Day already did this last week, is I'm going to be going through your grade with you in class to go over what you're missing and what you need to do. If you would like to set up a Zoom meeting to go over any assignments, please reach out to me and we can schedule that. We've passed midterm, so it shouldn't be a surprise what your grade is. I am going to try and schedule a tutoring session sometime in the next week or two, so keep an eye out for that. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.